How to view browsing history on Spectrum router, router logs, app option and limit. So how to view browsing history on Spectrum router. Spectrum router generally cannot display complete browsing history for privacy reason. To track detailed website, visit. You usually need parental control software or a third-party router with advanced login. So check activity in the My Spectrum app. Install and open the My Spectrum app on your phone. Sign in using your Spectrum account. Tap services, then internet, then devices. Select a connected device to view data usage or activity information. This helps identify which device are using the internet, but it usually does not list every website visited. Log in to the router admin page. Connect your device to the Spectrum Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and enter this IP or this IP in the address bar. Log in using the router username and password printed on the router label. So look for section like logs, security or connected device. Some router shows connection logs or blocked site but not fully browsing history. Third one is use parental control for website tracking. Open the My Spectrum app, go to service, then internet, then parental control. Create a profile for the device you want to monitor. Enable website filtering and activity monitor. This allows you to see blocked site and usage pattern for that device. Thank you.